Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about tricks for division. So now we will see with the example. So here is example 1, 528 divided by 24. So here we are going to divide this 24. So now this 4 in the last in the division in this 4 we are going to cut it down over here from here and we will write as a multiplication from over here. So here we are going to see only this 2. So how many times 5 goes into 2 is 2 times 2 is 4, and here we will do a subtraction, so it will 1. The remainder is 1. So 1 is not going to be in 2, so we will take 2 from here, so it will be 12. Now in the next step we don't need to do 12 with how many times 12 goes into 2. Now we are going to write 2 times 4, and that would be 8, so we are going to subtract that, and here is 4 again. So now how many times 4 goes into 2? So that we will see over here. So it will 4. So here there's a remainder 0. So now, like this we are going to divide. The answer for this question is 22 times 24 is 528. So like this we will do the division. Okay, thank you for watching.